Hey everyone, Abel here from TechNave. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and hands-on video on the Honor 9 Lite. Okay guys, so this is the Honor 9 Lite. Here we have the grey model. There's actually two of them, which is blue and grey. Grey is surprisingly very beautiful as well because of the blue shininess. And believe it or not, the back material is actually plastic, even though it's so shiny, and it's very prone to fingerprint. That's why I'm not touching it. I don't want to smudge the back. Also, another highlight of the phone is the cameras, of course. Here you can see the dual rear cameras. It's a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel as the secondary camera. And the front is also using the exact same sensors. And it's actually, if you see here the front, it's not three cameras here. This is a sensor for you to do the face unlock. So yeah. As for the camera user interface, it's not much changes. It's still more or less the same. You can still do the portrait mode right here, bokeh effect, beauty mode, and of course the aperture mode, which allows you to shift the focus after taking a photo. So as mentioned before, the back and front camera is using the exact same setup, and our boy Joshua has decided to take a selfie while we're having lunch. As you can see a closer look, you can see how detailed, how seamlessly smooth his face is thanks to the beauty mode. And you can see the bokeh effect is quite good. This is one of the best bokeh or portrait mode that I've seen in a phone so far, because usually when phones tries to emulate this, there'll be an invisible shield around the subject. So for the Honor 9 Lite, this is pretty good, but you know, we still need to do more testing. Okay guys, so that was the Honor 9 Lite unboxing and hands-on video. Stay tuned for a future review at technave.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.